Okay, today we're going to be looking at the Work Sharp sharpening system. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into the box and see exactly what's in here. Comes with your instruction manual, and then the next thing we see is the entire setup with inside of this case. The entire system is pretty self-explanatory as far as putting it together. You've got your mount for your blades. This is the part that goes into the station, and it simply just goes in and clicks into place, and that holds it into the station. And then obviously this piece right here is going to go in to here, and it's got a high-powered magnet in it, which has got a pretty good little tension on it. So let me see. Yeah, it's got a good tension. It holds it in there. And then your clamping knob to let go of stuff. This is where your blade is going to go. And the stone that it comes with has 3 courses. It's got a fine, a medium, and a rough. So yeah, we're going to set this up and we're going to give a knife a go on it, and we're going to see how it works. So as you can see, we got the blade mounted in, and I have it set at 22 degrees. So we're going to start off first with a 320 roughing stone, and we're going to do both sides of the blade. And yes, you will still need to use some sort of lubricant. I'm going to be using WD-40. Next, we're going to be jumping over to the 300 or the 800 grit. All right, we got a start of a good edge there. We're going to jump over to the whetstone, which is this ultra fine. A little bit of oil. Oh, yeah. That is a super smooth stone. Let's undo this. Wow. Oh, that hair coming off. So let's see how it does on a piece of paper. Why not use the instructions? I could probably do a little bit more with the fine stone, but right now that is razor sharp. Okay, so the whole setup itself is done with magnets. You got magnets in the end that hold everything in place, and then up here this piece actually goes into your angle finder, and that's what holds everything stable. And then you just basically pinch here and lightly go across your blade with it. You don't want to put a lot of pressure. And this is how you use this particular knife sharpener. It's super simple to use. It will put a really good edge on it. And I'm sure if I run this on my strop, it's going to be even sharper.